Good afternoon, everybody. There's so many things I could talk about today as your senator, but today I want to talk to you as a physician, as a person who practiced medicine in rural Kansas for 25 years. Today, I'm asking you to call your doctor's office, your pharmacist, your local health department, so you go get your COVID vaccine so you can live your life as free as it was before. Listen, first of all, I think that this vaccine is very, very safe. It's underwent a very rigorous and transparent process. This is a process that we've been following since early January to make sure that this was a safe and effective vaccine out there. You know, over 100 million Americans have received this vaccination so far, and to our knowledge, nobody's had any type of serious complications from it. It's recommended by your doctors and by your pharmacists, and at least 90% of doctors and pharmacists and nurses out there have already received the vaccine. I got my vaccine way back in January. My parents have received their vaccine as well. So we're making great progress on getting this vaccine across this country so we can receive herd immunity sooner than later so that we can get back to life as we once knew it. There's lots of benefits to this vaccine. When I think of getting the vaccine, the freedom that it's going to give me, the freedom to go see my grandchildren, to see my parents, to have all of our kids together, to be able to go to church together and worship on Easter morning. Do you all remember last Easter that we weren't allowed to worship together and how empty that feeling was? But if everyone gets their vaccine done in the next several weeks, where many of us will be able to worship together once again. We'll be able to travel and enjoy life as we once knew it. One other reason that you need to go get the vaccine done is we don't want to see a surge in our country, a third surge like we're seeing in Europe right now. That this is our chance to stomp this virus out, to get to herd immunity, but we all need to get this vaccine done sometime in this month or April, if at all possible. And then we'll be reaching that full vaccination process and have herd immunity, I really think, by the beginning of May. Look, one other point to make here, that America is great because we have the freedom to decide. That's right, we have the freedom to decide. No one's going to make you get this vaccine. This is totally up to you. I would just encourage you, if you have any hesitancy about getting the vaccine, call your doctor's office, talk to the doctor, talk to the nurse there, or talk to your local pharmacist as well. They'll give you some really good advice. Finally, let me tell you, I think the biggest reason that I want us all to get the vaccine, that's so we have herd immunity, and finally, we can take these darn masks and throw them away.